Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a day in my life. I actually debated even posting this video because it's a little bit shorter. I didn't get as much as I would normally like to, but I did get in a little bit of grocery shopping and just some other things I did throughout the day. So let me know if you like seeing these videos, even when they're a little shorter like this. And yeah, let's hop in. So when I was leaving the house, I tried to get footage of the two-piece that I was wearing to Pilates, but it just seemed kind of creepy. So here's a picture of the two-piece I was wearing. Oh man, it is so cold out right now. I want to say, well, according to my car, it's only 43, but it feels much colder than that. And it's been in the 20s for the last couple days. So I got really sick with the flu or food poisoning or something. And so did Dan. And we've been down for the count for the last 5 days. But today I feel good enough. I've started eating food. So I've decided I want to go get in a workout and do some Pilates. So I have been working out at this, occasionally at this Pilates reformer studio, and I'm loving it. I've mentioned this before on Instagram. It's like the first workout, I'm adjusting my mirrors, I've ever done that's like, it's super easy on my joints. It's kind of like, I guess swimming was that way, but I like this because it keeps my body in line. So I gotta go because I'm gonna be late. I love this. I'm actually hoping to get a Pilates reformer one day in my house. That would be like goals. That and a sauna. I know that's weird, but anyways, I'm wearing the cutest little two-piece. I tried to show you this morning. I feel like it was kind of creepy the way I showed you, but anyways, let's go to Pilates. So once I got home from Pilates, I made this breakfast that I've been obsessed with lately, and it's just avocado toast with a kale slaw on top, and then I chopped up some yellow heirloom tomatoes to add as well, and I always love drizzling a little bit of olive oil on my toast at the end, and then I had an apple on the side, and of course, Bowser begged, and I can't lie, I usually end up giving in. I love sharing my food with my pups. By the way, typically I show more of what I'm making in a day in my life, and I didn't really capture that as much today, but if you missed it, I did upload a what I eat in a day a couple videos ago, and I'm uploading another one very soon, so I wanted to let you guys know that. So I didn't make my bed this morning before Pilates, so once I got some breakfast in me, I went upstairs and made the bed. At this point, I decided to put on a little bit of makeup for the day. And then I had my singing lesson. So to those of you that don't know, I take lessons with a friend of mine, Bethany, and she is an incredible singer, like legitimately amazing. And she's an incredible teacher as well. And it's really cool because I met her here in Nashville when I first came to visit for my 30th birthday, almost 2 years ago. And we met one time. I fell in love with her voice, and she actually moved back to Texas. So now I have been lucky enough to get to do singing lessons with Bethany via Skype. It's really cool because it's still been so helpful. Like, even though she's not there, I know some people feel like lessons via Skype aren't as helpful. They really have been for me. That is the book that we've been using recently, and I had to buy this CD player off Amazon because I literally didn't have anything in my house that played a CD. By the way, side note, I'm going to leave Bethany's information in the info box. If you are looking for a singing teacher, you can just reach out to her, tell her I sent you, and yeah. So after my lesson, I made my way downstairs, and I was super excited because recently Dan and I took a bunch of photos together, and the photographer, who randomly, her name is also Bethany, just sent me back the photos photos, and she did an amazing job. There's actually multiple photos from this little shoot that I kind of want to get printed and framed around our house. I've never really done that. I'm thinking that I want to do that soon. Also, how cute is this picture of Bowser and Dan? I love that. So after we reviewed our photos, Dan and I decided to head over to Walmart. We rotate a lot of our grocery shopping just depending on what we want from different stores. And so on this day, we went to Walmart, picked up a couple random things. And actually, after I did this shopping trip, I filmed a Walmart grocery haul. So if you missed that, that was also uploaded, I believe, last week. So I just showed you guys everything that I got because Walmart, if you didn't know, a lot of Walmarts have a pretty big produce selection. It's not always the cheapest depending on where they've imported things from and if they're organic, but you can often get some really good deals. And you know, Walmarts are everywhere and they've just really expanded their grocery selection, and so I really love that. We needed to pick up a couple new spices that day, so that's what we did. So then we got back to the truck, did our little load in method. He likes to load the truck kind of like Tetris, like in a very specific fashion. So I usually hand him the bags and he loads. It's like a little conveyor belt system we got going on. I hope that you enjoyed this video, even though it was shorter. Let me know what you think. And if you missed our last video, we did upload a foster care update, actually talking all about our second foster class on the path, no pun intended, to becoming licensed foster parents. So I will see you guys back here very soon. I have a bunch more videos coming up that I'm super excited to share with you. And yeah, bye guys.